For those of you using an iPad, you can easily create animated messages for your workshops using an app called Tellagami. Tellagami is a very easy to use tool. It has a wonderful how-to section where you can run through the different steps if you need to review. Or you could simply, from this screen, click on Create and begin. There's a few things you can do. One, you can customize your character, the character's gender, skin tone, eye color, hair, clothing, and so on. So you've got lots of options to customize your character. You can also customize your character's emotion, a happy emotion or a surprised emotion, neutral, and so on. And you can even customize the background using either a background of your own by taking a photo of an outdoor scene or perhaps your office, or you could grab something from your photo library that you already have. For example, maybe you've got a picture of the front page of your course that you want as your backdrop to give a little intro in context, as it were. You can even use the doodle tools. Or if you prefer, you could select a background from the presets in the app itself. For example, this office preset. Once you have customized your character and the emotion of your character and the background, then you want to hit the back button so that you can record your message. And you have about 30 seconds of recording time. So as soon as you hit record, it's going to start counting down, and you know how much time you have left for your message. Good, again, a good quick, short, and sweet, 30 seconds or less. This is a perfect amount of time for a lot of course announcements or workshop announcements. Once you're finished, stop, and it will preview it for you automatically so you can make sure that you said everything exactly the way you want to say it. Once you're certain that you have everything the way you want, you are going to share it. Now there's a two-step process here. One, you're going to share the link with yourself, and then you're going to go to your browser on your computer and use that link so that you can get an embed code to put this entire animated project in your workshop facilitator corner area. So the easiest way to do that is to click on share and go ahead and email or text the link to yourself, probably email since you want to be on your computer. It's going to create your Gami, and it'll take a little bit more or a little bit less time depending on how much voice recording, how long your voice recording was. And then once it creates it, it'll upload it to the Tellagami website with the link and give you the link. So there's the upload, and then there's the thing where you could type in your address that you want to send it to. Or you could simply grab the code here and note that it is Tellagami, https://tellagami.com/gami/ and then that number. All right, so let's go over to our browser, and here is that Gami that you want to share using the link that you got on your iPad app when you created it. So from here, you click on the share button, and you see you have options to grab the embed code, which is what you're going to use in the facilitator corner area, and the link itself which you are going to use in your news forum post. So I'll grab this first. I click there to select it and then do a Command C for a Mac or a Control C for a PC. Then I'm going to switch over to my course and I'm going to turn editing on. And I'm going to scroll down to the Facilitators corner where I'm going to edit the Facilitators corner. I'm going to click on Show Editing Tools. And I'm going to switch to HTML mode. You always have to be in HTML mode in order to embed things. And I'm going to paste that embed code that I copied from the Tellagami site. And I'm going to say Update. And there is the Tellagami. I'll save and return to the course. And then all that remains, and I'll refresh so you can see it. All that remains now is to go into the news forum, add a new topic, put the date of your message, for example, your January 10 announcement. This is so you have a running record of all your announcements in the news forum. In case somebody doesn't log in on one of your days, they'll be able to come into the news forum and grab the link to that Tellagami in this case. Okay. And you can make it more descriptive. Then your transcript of your audio would go here, and then you simply post to the forum, and now you have that ongoing record. So that's all there is to it. Now, let's take a look one more time. I'm going to go back to the course. I'm not going to actually post that message. You know how to click the post button. Now let's say you have already posted a message like there is here, and you just created the next day's announcement. So we'll go through the steps again. You want to edit. You want to click on Show Editing Tools. You want to switch to HTML mode, and then this is where we pasted that embed code. But if it's a new multimedia piece, you want to replace this embed code, right? You want to delete it, and you want to paste in, my apologies, you want to paste in the new embed code and update so that you only have one multimedia message at a time in this block. Save and return to course. Do your news forum post to keep that ongoing record of all of your announcements, and that's it. So have fun with Tellagami.